unhinged your jaw like a snake. He's gonna choke and die on fruit roll-up.
Today we're gonna see if we can make a 1,000 foot long fruit by the foot roll and see if we can use it as rope. Guys, who likes fruit by the foot? I like fruit by the foot. It's great. Callie clearly likes fruit by the foot. Callie's eating two different ones at the same time at the moment. If you're unfamiliar with these, it's a kind of fruit roll-up. And when I was a kid, they always advertised that it's 3 feet long. And I'm not seeing that claim anywhere on these boxes now. I swear it used to be what they would always say. It was 3 feet of fruit flavor or whatever. I want to measure this and see how long it actually is. 34 1/8 inches. Hey, with the doubled over portion, we crossed the 36-inch line. So we are past 3 feet long with at least this one, and I assume it's pretty regular length. So 3 feet. So what we want to do is we want to see if we can put together 1,000 feet of fruit by the foot rolls, which I think that means we need 333 rolls to get to 1,000 feet.
I think we have it.
I think we do. We want to give a big shout out to today's video sponsor, Tennis Clash, a free mobile PvP tennis sports game that's super fun.
It's free to play and available for both Android and iOS.
Yeah. Helps you do the actual grunting sounds. Guys, this awesome game, Tennis Clash, has become a massive worldwide hit with more than 10 million players worldwide. Check out the crazy number of ratings in the app stores.
You can play live one-on-one matches against real players in the world's most famous tennis arenas. We've got it available for free with the links down in the description.
And by using our TKOR links, you'll get 200 gems and 500 gold free at the start. One of the coolest features in the game is the option to play casual matches with your real-life friends. Aha!
That wasn't fair. That wasn't fair. I don't tend to talk as much when I'm playing games. I just tend to yell a whole lot. You can both download the game, then you connect your game accounts to Facebook.
Once that's done, you'll see your friends listed under the Friends button in the upper right side of the home screen. Then you can throw down in some epic tennis matches against each other.
Finding a match is fast, and the ranking system brings players from your same difficulty level.
Also, the control system is simple. If I want to play it chill, all I have to do is swing my finger in the direction that I want to shoot. The speed of my swipe determines how far and fast I'm going to shoot the ball.
But if you want to go for winning PvP matches, you'll want to strategically move the player, which can be done by simply tapping on the screen where you want it to move.
That way you can anticipate shots and get yourself positioned in the right spot.
What I love about this game is that I can play with different characters and decide what ability I want to focus on: forehand, backhand, or agility. Oh, that wasn't fair. That was a cheap shot. No.
Yeah.
Download Tennis Clash now for free in the links in the description and get 200 gems, 500 gold just for supporting the TKOR channel. Good luck, and we'll see you all on the court.
That's 36 to make up for our box that we opened and we're eating. So that should be 360 rolls right there.
Okay.
So we need all of these, and actually not quite all of these, but almost.
Here's the one thing, like, this is my beef with fruit by the foot. It doesn't tell you what flavor you're getting.
Right. Every one of these 36 boxes has the exact same outer packaging, but I think that there is variety inside. This should be 334, actually, because if we only did 333, we'd be a foot short. That's no good. So maybe we'll cut 2 feet off of the last one, or maybe we won't care to be that picky. So yeah, now we have to open these and start making them into one giant roll.
Okay.
Now, I don't know what the best way to connect fruit by the foots to themselves is. You know that thing that happens if you accidentally unroll too much toilet paper and then try and roll the toilet paper back up and it never rolls up nicely? I'm afraid we're gonna have that happen with the fruit by the foots, and it's just gonna be like, yeah, it's already like super, super loose. Mom, can I have a snack?
It's almost dinner.
How about just one fruit by the foot roll?
Okay, just one.
Just one. We have made our 1,000 foot roll. It suffered a little bit of damage as I tried to pick it up. Not perfectly well wrapped as we were showing you. There's a lot of play in it, and it's very heavy. You know, this is a lot of fruit by the foot here. We do have some other things we want to test with it.
We do.
However, we got this box of king size, and I was curious, what is different? It says 66% more per roll, so I don't know if these are like 5-foot rolls, or if they're wider, or I'm guessing it's a 5-foot roll instead of a 3-foot roll.
Oh, and these ones have flavors on them.
And whoa, look how much more. That's like 66% more. Ooh, with the folded over bit, we're actually past 5 feet. We're up to 64.5 inches. So 5'4", it's a lot.
It's a lot to eat, but I can do it.
I want to see how much weight it takes to break a fruit by the foot. So here we go. I'm gonna try tying this fruit by the foot in a knot. I don't have a whole lot of hope for that, but fruit by the foot doesn't seem like it's all that strong no matter what you do with it. So we'll give it a try. Here goes. It got to about 1.2. That's not a lot.
That's actually less than
Our licorice. Licorice definitely held more than the fruit by the foot. And it did not break at the knot. It was breaking both where it was hanging and where I was pulling on it a little bit, but the knot is still fine. So I kind of think we should just put as many as we can fit over the hooks.
I think so.
Just keep putting, except maybe just, well, 1 hook or 2, either one.
Let's do 1 hook.
Let's put as many as we can over 1 hook, and then we'll see if we can hang from it. We have, I think, as many fruit by the foots as we can fit on this hook. They're starting to slide off. I feel like if we have any more, we're just going to end up losing them. So this is as many as we can fit on this hook for the most part. Hopefully it's enough to hold our weight up. I bet it is for at least a couple seconds.
Okay, sure.
You want to try?
No, it's all you.
Okay. Here we go.
Yeah!
That was not much time. The licorice really did hold way better than that. That was so much more stuff than the licorice, but held
Not at all.
Not any amount of time really. Look at that, just tore right through every one of them, smushed them all together, and tore right through.
I guess licorice is the superior climbing method.
Yeah. Keep that in mind, guys. If you ever have to use candy to climb out of something and you have to choose between fruit by the foot and licorice, this looks like it's gonna be better. It's not.
It's not.
The thin licorice vines that we were using held way more. Like we had like multiple pounds per single strand of licorice.
Yep.
And this is like barely more than 1 pound.
It's true.
Deceptive. Looks like it'll make a great belt climbing thing. Doesn't.
To make a ball?
I want to turn all 1,000 feet of this into a ball, and we'll start here with our broken belts.
Okay.
And then I think we'll just try and wrap other one singular around it.
This is where we tapped out.
We have a 10-pound ball of fruit by the foot. Weirdly enough, that as a 10-pound ball, this is, I think, smaller than a 10-pound bowling ball.
It is.
Meaning this fruit by the foot is actually denser than a bowling ball. I think we're gonna keep this ball around for a little bit. Guys, if you have any suggestions of things you would like to see us do with the ball,
Throw it off with something.
let us know. We're open to ideas. And if there's anything else you would like to see done with fruit by the foot in general, let us know about that too.
Guys, that's not all. We've always got more for you to see. If you like this kind of content, make sure to hit that box and check out our most recent video, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.